Welcome back. You're going to have two videos from me today. This first one is just going to be instructions on what you are going to do today. I'm clearly not there today, so you have a sub, but I want to start doing these videos, so I think it'll take a little pressure off the sub and you're hearing my voice. So first you're going to do your European map. On the video that I already recorded is over the geography questions, which are coming, but I explain in there that don't freak out over these maps. Europe is large, there's a lot of landforms, but we're breaking it up, okay? So each slide is kind of a section. So we'll take the physical features first. Once we've mastered it, we'll move on to the first round of countries, and once we've mastered that, we'll move on to the second round of countries, and then the third. Just like with Mexico's map, you can test out of this, so once you have scored a 100 on all of this, you are done. So fill this out. Remember there are page numbers on where you can find all of this. The Ural mountains right here, you're going to need to Google those. They're not in your book. And then from the map, you're going to do this whole entire map. Please use your textbook and not the internet. The textbook. You were using the textbook. You're going to move into your European geography questions. This is already in your Google Drive for this class. I've made a copy for everyone so that you can type right into this and submit it to me. Remember how to get there. You're going to go to your drive. And in your drive looks different than mine. You're going to have somewhere down here that says classroom, and you're going to click on classroom. Actually, I do have a classroom. You'll click on classroom, and from classroom, you will click on your class period for me. And then from there, you can type right into this because it's a copy for you. Once you have completed these questions, you are going to go listen to the video that is already on Google Classroom right here. First period, you probably will not get to this, so we will cover it when I get back. Seventh period, you will get to this. So you need to fill out the map using your textbook. You will get a copy of that from the sub. 2, you're going to answer the questions on this page using your textbook and a desk atlas. I've given you the page numbers. And then from there, you're going to go listen to the video. So you can find the video and the questions. Questions are in your drive. Video is on Google Classroom. I miss you guys. I can't wait to get back and hear about your spring break. If you have any questions, ask the sub or don't freak out and we'll figure it out the next time I see you. So I love you guys.